Hello friends, day 9 of my stroll through the English countryside took me along the rest of the Two Castles Trail down into Okehampton. I was a bit further than I thought from there. It took about 10 miles to get there this morning, and then I started onto the Tarka Trail, which will eventually take me up to Barnstaple. But today I came out of Okehampton on the Tarka Trail and I've reached Hatherleigh Moor. Good day, but quite a lot of roads make up the start of the Tarka Trail, albeit quite quiet ones. I struggled to find a single occupancy field tonight, but I got quite a nice view, albeit that I am sharing it with a few sheep. Now let's take a look at some of today's footage. I thought it might be useful for you to see how I collect water when there's no easy source. So here I am filling up the bag that I have with water from a stream. Then I screw on the filter, and then lastly I take the plastic bottle, screw that on the other end of the filter and turn the bag upside down and squeeze. And then not too long later I have a litre of water.